Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Focus fuel filter. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, a fuel line disconnect tool, and safety glasses. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is completely cool before you begin any work. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves, to protect your hands from fuel exposure. Safety is paramount when working with fuel systems, so take your time and follow all precautions carefully. Next, it is crucial to depressurize the fuel system safely. Begin by locating the fuel pump fuse or relay, typically found in the underhood fuse box, and carefully remove it. Then, start the engine and allow it to run until it naturally stalls, which will relieve the pressure within the fuel lines. For an extra layer of safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before moving on to the next steps. This prevents any accidental electrical issues while you are working. Now, let's proceed with removing the old fuel filter. The fuel filter is typically located underneath the vehicle, often near the fuel tank or along the frame rail. Use your specialized fuel line disconnect tool to carefully detach the fuel lines from both ends of the filter. Be prepared for a small amount of fuel to spill, so have a drain pan ready. Once the lines are disconnected, unclip or unbolt the old filter from its mounting bracket and set it aside for proper disposal. Finally, it is time to install your new fuel filter and test the system. Ensure the new filter's flow arrow points correctly towards the engine before securing it into the mounting bracket. Reconnect the fuel lines firmly to both ends of the new filter, listening for a click if applicable. Reinstall the fuel pump fuse or relay and reconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Start the engine and carefully inspect for any fuel leaks around the new filter connections. Allow the engine to run for a few minutes to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.